Hi, I'm Aygün Varol. In this video, I will present you my own version of DistilBERT. I fine-tune it with IMDb movie review dataset. This model will be used for sentiment analysis. DistilBERT is a small language model with 66 millions of parameters. In this video, I will compare it with Meta's LLaMA 3 70 billion large language model. I have two Python codes running simultaneously. First one is for user interface and the second one is for backend. User interface is look like this and it runs on my Visual Studio Code. And backend Python code runs on here. Let's try our model. The movie was amazing. And it says positive with a high confidence. And let's try LLaMA 3 model. Again, it says positive. The movie was terrific. Positive and positive, of course. I have trained this model with a movie review dataset, but we don't need to limit ourselves with just the movie reviews. We can write general sentences here. Such as this, and it's also positive. Okay, now let's try three key entries. Okay, negative. And LLaMA 3 model, also negative. The action scenes were stunning, for example. Now it confused LLaMA 3 model. Let's try our version. It says positive. Let's try LLaMA 3 model. A good output. The actions were great. Okay, now it says positive. Our model says positive with a little higher confidence. This is pretty impressive since LLaMA 3 model has almost 1,000 times more parameter than DistilBERT, and this experiment is to show small language models is capable of in some tasks with large language models if we fine-tune them. Thank you for watching this video.